Today I'm explaining what's dollar value LIFO. Last in first out is LIFO. LIFO is short for last in first out. But what does dollar value LIFO mean? Dollar value LIFO is a modification of a traditional LIFO method in which ending inventory is measured on the basis of monetary value of units instead of quantity of units held. We might remember that in the LIFO or inventory management, financial inventory management, financial system, it was like LIFO or FIFO. They were counting the quantity of the units of the inventory. It means that you would not count the value of it. That will create a problem because different inventory in different classifications won't be able to merge into one number. You will have multiple numbers. That's really creates some complexity of the system, but more importantly, it actually makes it very hard to counting. I don't remember. 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 While learning LIFO and discussing the pros and cons, one issue way of LIFO's compatibilities. If entity is using FIFO for internal reporting purpose, if entity is using FIFO, this is however was solved with a workaround called LIFO reserve or LIFO allowance. No, that's not what we are gonna talk about. Another major issue, we are talking about the next major issue, which is another major issue of the LIFO is delayering and better known as a LIFO liquidation or erosion. To solve delayering problems, we use traditional LIFO modified approach called dollar value LIFO. Right, whether or not you understand these words or not, I'm gonna say I would pretty simple. It just means that layering or liquidation or erosion means that when you are dealing with LIFO, when you are last in first out, it means when you last in first out, there might be some historical inventory won't be touched, might never be touched. So it may they might their unit price is way lower, might be way lower than current market price. That would make it a problem. Did you see that? Because if it's way much lower than the market price, it does not represent the real inventory, the real values of these inventory. How do they solve this issue? They solve it by the value, by dollar value. They actually counted everything into $1 value, into a number dollar value. And what they did in every annual year, they would summarize all the numbers, and they would just cut off the number. That's really that confused me as well. That also confused me. It has two major benefits over traditional unit LIFO method. Unit level method, dollar value LIFO method. Unlike unit LIFO that groups scientific units based on quantities and respective rates, this makes calculation cumbersome. Dollar value LIFO pools items together and measure the value out based on changes in the total value of the pool and not the quantity. Unit LIFO method is prone to delayering because it records and maintains a specific quantity bought at a specific rate at each individual layer. If all units are consumed, it could seriously distort profit figures, making it to appear more are consumed in serious distort profit figures. Dollar value solves this as a result of pooling the goods on the basis of value and not basis of value and not the individual quality or rate. Also, the effect of inflation is reduced by properly accounting inflation effect in terms of money values. All right, so this is how they resolve issues. They introduce the inflation effects.